a room tour at the Four Queens, Las Vegas in the North Tower, room 1605. This is a newly renovated room, and it is their standard king room. When you first come in, you come into the bathroom. It's brand new. We got this kind of futuristic looking shower. That's interesting. Look, there's hand wand, very, very clean. I see one little spot, but that's okay. We have conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. That's nice. There's a bath mat, of course, toilet. Very big vanity, hello. You have your soap and some hand lotions. There are towels and a hairdryer. Over here is your closet area. I appreciate this extra pillow and a blanket. Ironing board and hangers. There's a nice little dresser right here. This is quite impressive. This is a very, very big refrigerator. Like, that's like a baby apartment one. You could put all kinds of stuff. I'm only here one night, but I appreciate that. Am I gonna put my drinks in there? Yes, I am. You do get a coffee maker. That is quite nice. Plus your little bucket for ice. Your safe is up here. Over here is a vanity. This is nice. It comes with lighted mirror. That's very nice. I will be utilizing that later. And there's plugs, so that's cool. Here's the bed. Looks good, nice and clean. It's actually quite big. Headboard, everything's new. Looks good. Pillows look maybe, I don't know, questionable, but that's okay. Over here's your dresser. I appreciate this. Look, here's your outlets. They're down there. That's cool. Okay, because I can imagine maybe they didn't have such good outlets before. This TV is rather big for this room. It is not the world's smallest TV. You do have a little table and chairs over here. They gave you a pin. Your remote, of course. Another dresser. That's a connecting room if you have one. And this is my view of the event grounds and the strip. So that's nice. I asked for to be on this side and not on the Fremont side, so it'll be a little bit quieter so I can sleep tonight. But I'm just here for one night, and this is the room. I think it's pretty good. There's a barn door that saves room with that. But, you know, this is a pretty good room. It's not bad at all. All right, I have to show this. So the shower is really nice here, right? The water pressure is fantastic. It has shower curtain, but the lip's not high enough, so it kind of leaks. But watch this shit. Oh shit, wrong one. Oh my god. It has these violent down here, up here, going everywhere. Oh my god, it's all over the room. So be wary, but it's great. Oh my god, it's out in the hallway. This was a room tour. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and leave a comment and subscribe. And until next time.